friends today. I do hope you all are doing a great job at home listening to mommy and daddy. I know it's very hard to be home so long, away from Miss Karen, Miss Samajat, and myself. And not to be able to play with your friends and do activities in the classroom like we do every day. But don't worry, soon we're going to be able to be together again, okay? A little while longer, just bear with it. Miss Sita is going to show you today how to make Play-Doh at home with your mommies and daddies, okay? First, I'm going to tell you the ingredients. Flour, 1 cup. Oil, 2 tablespoons. Salt, 1/4 cup. 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. And whatever color you want. Okay, we're going to add it all together. And then we're going to make Play-Doh. This you can do at home. So first we have the flour in here. Okay, now we're going to add the cream of tartar. The 1 teaspoon, sorry, Miss Sita is going crazy. And then we're going to add the salt. Okay, it's about 1/4 cup of salt, remember that. Okay, and the oil. Now, if you don't have cream of tartar at home, you can also use lemon juice. It works the same way. And when you're done mixing, keep mixing, mixing. Knead it well, okay? Just keep kneading. It may need a little more color because I guess I didn't put enough color in. I know you all like pink. Most of you, in fact, like pink. Some like yellow, some like purple. It really doesn't matter the color because we all have different taste and color, right? But we all play together with the Play-Doh. That's the important thing. See? Now it's coming together. And then you can make it into a bowl. Now if it's too soft and you know that you want it to be a little hard, you just add more flour. And this, when you make this ball, you can put it in a plastic bag and keep it in the fridge. It lasts a couple days so you can play with it all over again. Okay? Thank you, Room 9. Hope to see you guys soon. I hope you enjoy my video on how to make Play-Doh at home. Bye.